Okay guys, Gavin here again from Up Top Garage. We have a Volkswagen Jetta. Customers complain of noise on the front wheel, so towards a shield. Right, so that's basically the noise you were hearing there. Right, and check this out guys. So this here is his right side front axle, and check this. When I shake, this is what I get. So not all the time it's the shield, right? So you just had to do proper checks on the vehicle. It's not necessarily that it's the brake shield. Sometimes it's the axle. So this here is the inner axle cup. Most definitely the cage. So there's a cage in here with some slugs, ball-like slugs. So it's probably one with a damaged cage. So stay tuned.